What is going on, everybody? It's Tuesday, September 11th, 2018, 10 a.m. Everything is just exploding right now. Either exploding, dropping hard, or spiking up hard and dropping hard. We're seeing a lot of volatile action today. And I just want to go over real quick. Alright, where to begin? We'll begin with NLST. I took a trade on NLST. I made a lousy $48 on it. Look at this. In 3 days, it goes from 27 cents to $1. Great momentum on this. Crazy. But now it's overcrowded, and it's just keeps coming up to this dollar area and falling right back down. That's why I only made $50 on it. I was very, very late on this. I was trying to play this yesterday, but I had to leave to go to work. You know, I got responsibilities, so I missed all of this right here. So this morning, I looked to get in on it. I got in right at the break of the dollar, ran all the way up to $1.10, ran right into 100,000 seller. And it just kept hitting $1.08, $1.08, $1.08, $1.08. And by the time I sold it, it was already coming back down to $1. So I walked away with a little profit. I'm glad I got out while I did. I didn't want to, hold and hope. Because now look at it. It just keeps coming up to this a little over $1, and it comes right back down to 90 cents. And then we got RENN, very, very fast. This came out with Q2 revenue of $135 million, and it gaps up from $1.75 to $2.68, falls down, market opens, spikes from $1.90 to a $2.66, falls right back down. Now it's starting to trend back up. And this is exactly why you do not chase right here. Look at that fast drop. And this is a higher float stock too at 32 million. What a crazy move. And very, very volatile in the morning. That's why it's always good to wait at least 15 minutes after the market opens to let these stocks set up to give you a clear direction of where they want to head. Then we got SSC, another one. This one it signs a $6 billion deal with China's first auto loan. And look at this. From 450 up to 580 pre-market. Market opens, drops from 550 down to 5, back up to 550, drops all the way down to 475. Very choppy on this. Yesterday we had IZEA. It came out with news that it exceeded its Q3 revenues. Let me see. IZEA sets Q3 guidance after strong bookings seen for Q3. Total bookings for all lines of business in Q3 to exceed 9.5 million. So this gaps up $1.50 to $2.50, and then this morning it just kept hitting this wall at $2.50 and bouncing off $2.25. Soon as the market opens, look, it just drops off. Then we got AGRX. AGRX caught momentum after the market closed. Today it gapped up to 73 cents. Market opens, it's starting to drop off and go sideways. Still on watch though. No news. Just looking to get momentum from NLST. Next up we have ANNY. A little gap up here. Nothing going on. Same thing. Getting momentum from NLST. Stocks under $1. When a stock under $1 spikes really big, like NLST going from 23 cents to $1, you'll notice stocks under $1, penny stocks under $1, will follow in momentum. And that's what ANNY did and AGRX. And look at this, right out of the open goes from 31 cents, spikes all the way up to a high of 54 cents. And it's still looking good. Real quick, a little higher price stocks, PRQR, this thing's crazy, going from $18.35 to $22. And the previous couple days, as you can see, recently this was trading at $7.30. And this thing's gapped up to $18, and it just keeps going all the way up to $22 now. And it's touching levels, the highs from 2015, 3 years ago. So this is a multi-year breakout right here. Great play. Like I said, a lot of stuff exploding and going up. The futures were down this morning, but then as soon as the market opened, the SPY started rallying up. Let this load up here. So the futures were all down red this morning. Like I said, as soon as the market opened, look at this. Market opens right here, rallies up. Same thing here with the NASDAQ. Market opens right here and rallies up. 3 out of 4 stocks follow the overall market. And you can clearly see that with all these stocks exploding this morning. Great momentum this morning. Also, real quick, we had Funko, another higher price stock. Look at this thing. It's been trending up all year from $5 up to $31. It hit a high yesterday. Now this morning, it just tanked all the way down to $25. I told you a lot was going on today. I wasn't playing around. And I believe that's it. No, we didn't. So Ren came out with revenues of $135 million. Yeah, we did go over Ren because of this big spike right here. Made $50. Not too much, but I'm glad I stuck with my plan and I got out and I didn't get greedy. And now it's still hanging around this $1 area. You know, it still has potential to break up through this $1, but also going and looking at multiple time frames. This is the daily. If you look at this on the monthly with the moving averages, you can clearly see this blue line is the 50-day on the monthly. It's right at $1. So it opened up right at this area, acted as resistance, and now it's holding as somewhat of a support. And you can see the past couple days right here on the daily. A lot going on today. A lot more than what yesterday was. And then we had Fred from yesterday. Fred was just an irritating one. Look at this. Just slowly grinding all day. And then went sideways lunch hours.
CFGN.
And then the last hour of the day, power hour, decided to go from 270 up to a high of 310. That was like the most volatile right there. And I've noticed the past few days, a lot of these stocks have been strong the last hour of the day. A lot going on this morning. We're starting to see. This is why you wait, have patience for moves like this and take advantage of them. Having patience, not chasing. Hey guys, this is it's now early in the morning, Wednesday, 4:45 a.m. I just got home from work an hour ago and just going over what happened at the end of Tuesday. And I'm looking at NLST and AGRX. And I've noticed something. So, 2 penny stocks coming up to $1. And what I've noticed about both of them is Monday, I'll start with Monday. So Monday, NLST. At the end of Monday, see, Monday it gapped up and then it just went sideways right when the market opened, just consolidating and consolidating. Normally when stocks consolidate like this, it's resting and consolidating. A powerful move can happen. The longer it consolidates, the more powerful the move. And look what happened right here at around 1:30. This starts to perk up and it just explodes up over 50 cents and all the way up until it closes at 75 cents, and then after hours goes up to 92 cents. And then the next day gaps up to $1, pops up to $1.10, and then just tanks hard. And then has a nice rally at the end of the day right here from 44 cents to 75 cents. But what I've noticed was Monday we had a 50-cent run right here from 50 cents to pretty much $1. Then Tuesday, AGRX, right here, beautiful setup, beautiful. So this gaps up, market opens, it drops down, and then it starts to consolidate and it starts forming an ascending wedge here. This is on the 3-minute. Right here. Boom. Perfect pattern for this. And this is why it's important to know your patterns. Forms an ascending wedge here. Touches the upper resistance. 1, 2, I'd say that's 3. And then on the 4th time, it explodes up out of this pattern. That's a great entry right there. 55 cents. And look at where this ran up to. 91 cents. 2 days in a row, we've had a stock go from 50 cents pretty much to $1. A 50-cent run. Great opportunity right there. Really great opportunity. And then that's what it did for the rest of the day. And if you look at it on different time frames, I love looking at different time frames. I look at the 1 minute, which I'm kind of starting to go away from now because the 1 minute is just too much. It really is. It's too much noise. I'm really liking the 3-minute, 5-minute, and maybe the 15 to 10-minute chart. So even on the 5-minute chart, that first one was the 3-minute, and this one's the 5-minute, and the same thing. Let these patterns form. Spot these patterns and execute on these patterns. Once again, a line there and another line here. Beautiful, another ascending wedge. And with the 5-minute, you can be more patient with it. Just a great move right there. And I just wanted to make a quick little video for you guys. Sorry I'm a little slow. It's been a long day. But I just wanted to make this quick little video to show you guys a little technical analysis.